Welcome to Supreme Air Products Corp. If you're enjoying this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more insights into innovative pneumatic solutions. Today, we're diving deep into our Vortex Tubes, a game changer in industrial cooling and heating. Our Vortex Tubes take ordinary compressed air and split it into two streams, one hot and one cold. This remarkable pneumatic device needs no electricity, no refrigerants, and no additional gases. And best of all, it has zero moving parts. Compact enough to fit in the palm of your hand for smaller models, it's incredibly easy to integrate into a wide range of industrial applications. The Supreme Air Products Vortex Tube is ideal for fast and effective spot cooling, as it offers cooling capacities of up to 2,800 BTUs and can create temperature drops of up to 51 degrees Celsius. But they're not just for cooling, they can heat too. With a simple adjustment screw, you control the cold air fraction to suit your needs, making them versatile for both cooling and heating tasks. So, how does a Vortex tube actually work? Let's break it down step by step. Connect your compressed air line to the Vortex tube via a standard male NPT thread inlet. Compressed air enters and is directed into the vortex chamber by the generator, creating a high-speed spinning motion. Inside the chamber, the air spins at incredible speeds, up to 1,000,000 RPM. This centrifugal force separates the air based on density. Hotter, less dense air moves to the outer edges, while cooler, denser air stays in the center. The hot air exits through the hot end, and the cold air through the cold end at opposite sides of the tube. Fine-tune your output with the adjustment screw on the hot end. Turn it counterclockwise to release more hot air. This reduces cold air volume but drops its temperature even further for maximum cooling. Turn it clockwise for more cold air volume, though with a slightly higher cold end temperature. Our Vortex tubes operate quietly, with noise levels varying by CFM rating. For instance, a 25 CFM model runs at about 74 decibels. To make it even quieter, add our optional cold end muffler for up to 8 decibels reduction, or a hot end muffler for an extra 4 decibels drop. Supreme Air Products offers Vortex tubes in aluminum or stainless steel material with a variety of CFM capacities ranging from 2 to 40 CFM. The small Vortex tube ranges from 2 to 8 CFM, while the medium Vortex tube ranges from 10 to 40 CFM. Using our optional generators, these capacities can be changed quickly and easily with the simple turn of a screw. For example, a 10 CFM Vortex tube that is used for small cooling needs can be changed to 40 CFM for maximum cooling needs in less than 1 minute. Whether you're cooling electronics, drying parts, or heating enclosures, the Supreme Air Products Vortex tube deliver reliable performance. For more details or to chat about your specific application, head to our website at www.supremeairproducts.com or give us a call at 1-647-876-6358. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.